If you're a student nurse, watch this video. If you're also a registered nurse, watch this video. Whether or not you are in your home country, whichever one, make sure you stick to the end of this video. One of the shocking realizations you will come to notice whether or not you have moved abroad is, on the long run, you will notice that being average is not just enough to sustain your lifestyle. If you're currently in your home country or you're even a student nurse, I think this video will make more sense to you and will benefit you if you listen to me and do what I'm trying to say in this video. Before you try leaving your home country, I have said this over and over again. Don't just move abroad with the mindset of you just want to relocate. Don't just relocate abroad with the mindset of you just want to japa. By all means possible, have a purpose in life. When I keep on repeating this purpose, I don't know how a lot of people see this, but the essence of purpose is direction. The essence of purpose is clarity. The essence of purpose is destination. The essence of purpose is fulfillment. A lot of persons that have moved abroad won't actually say this, but within the next 5, 10, 15 to 20 years, you will see a difference between those who moved abroad with purpose and those who traveled without purpose. However, some travel to abroad without purpose, but along the line or in the long run, they found out what their purpose were and they started working towards it. But for those who are currently watching this video and at the moment you don't have a purpose yet, or you haven't even discovered yourself, you don't know what you want to do with your life, the earlier you start, the better for you. Before you move abroad, like I said, mostly if you're a student nurse currently or you're still in your home country, change your mindset from just traveling to work as a nurse in those countries to working as a nurse that has a purpose and a nurse that has direction. On the long run, you will come to realize that your BSc is not even enough to give you the kind of lifestyle you want. If you don't want to make sure you're finding yourself, or if you don't want to make sure you find yourself in a situation where you're trying to survive, or what I call the survivor stage, to a comfortable lifestyle or to a comfortable life. If you don't want to find yourself in a survival mode rather than a comfortable life, right, or even a wealthy life, then you must learn to prepare adequately by, number one, having a purpose which equals direction. Number two, you must also come to realize that your BSc and your diploma won't be enough on the long run. Meaning you need more skills, you need to build yourself, you need to have credibility, and you need much more to make sure that you have a comfortable life rather than a survival lifestyle. I don't know how best to explain this, but the point I'm trying to make in this video is whether or not you are still in your home country, number one, change the narrative, change the mindset of just traveling to work, because in as much as you succeed, but like I said, on the long run, you will find out you're still in the survival mode. The difference between those that will find themselves still struggling after many years and those that will have a comfortable life is as a result of purpose. And the earlier you discover it, the earlier you have direction. Number two, try making sure that you add more value in addition to your diploma in nursing, your BSc, or whatever qualification you have at the moment. Meaning you need to learn more skills, and should in case you need me to recommend the kind of skills you intend to learn, very importantly, as regards to what the future holds for us, your communication skills is a non-negotiable. If you don't know how to communicate, trust me, in the next 1 decade, you'll be left behind. Because you need to know that the future is heading towards you as a brand, whether as a personal brand or you identifying yourself as the business itself. And one of the things that will separate you from mediocrity or average is one, having a very good and developed communication skill. Whereby you don't have this skill, then you might find yourself also in the survival or struggling mode in years to come. Number 2 skill again, in addition to your already existing qualification, is negotiation skill. And first of all, before I even move to the negotiation skill, when you talk about communication, it's not as hard as you think. You talk to people every day, you associate with people, you make calls with people. Those things are skills, but you need to develop it further. So these skills will help you in the future. Then number 3, you also need to make sure that you're investing and building a personal brand. Like I've always said, the future is you. The future is you. Except for those who derive joy working 9-to-5 jobs, working, and don't want to build a life they've always dreamed for themselves. Then these people are exemption to this video I'm making right now. So like I said, the third skill you need to ask yourself is what? Building a personal brand. Ask yourself this question: who are you? This is one of the things that led to my self-development journey. I had to sit my ass down. Wisdom, I am Nurse Wisdom. Who are you? Outside your BSc, outside your diploma in nursing certification, what value do you have? Peradventure, it is taken off from you. What else can you do as a human being living on earth? When you begin to ask yourself a series of questions like this, then it will be so clear to you that you need to do more work. You need to do more work. I wouldn't want this video to be long. Maybe I might continue another series related to this video in next time, but this is just your take home for today. Peace and love. I just hope this video relates or resonates to someone out there. Peace and love.